Good day, guys. It's a boy Sean Cos underscore SA01, and we're back again with another video. So, guys, today's video, it'll be all about what we're going to look at this coming week. So, guys, it's a Sunday. So, as you guys know, on Sundays, it's a day for us to analyze to see what we can definitely get on this coming week. So, as you guys know, we have been working very hard. We've been pushing very hard. So, guys, now as you guys can see, this video is starting on a TD Markets page. So, guys, TD Markets is one of the best brokers that I prefer for you guys. As TD Markets, guys, it offers a lot of things for you guys. So, TD Market, it's one of the safest brokers that I trust. So before we even go too far, guys, let me just tell you guys all about TD Market. So TD Market, guys, it has fast withdrawals to begin with. It has very low spreads. So also, guys, when it comes to NFP or CPI, they don't have any off code. So that's why I really love this broker. So I would really appreciate if everyone could use this broker so we can have less people complaining about those brokers that they are always scamming people. So on the description below, make sure that you click on the link that you will find on the description, whereby you will find the link of TD Market and make sure that you sign up. Use the link to sign up on under TD Market and make sure that you trade without having any stress of the broker. So guys, without wasting your time, let's just start with today's work. But then before we even start on that, I just wanted to show you guys how we have been killing the market, how we've been killing the market. So now, let me just show you guys how we've been chopping the market before we even go too far. I just want to start on the pairs that we've been killing during the week. So guys, this is Nasdaq. Today we're just gonna focus on Nasdaq. We're gonna focus on Nasdaq, gold, and USDT. Those are the three pairs that I really wanna focus on today. And guys, if you can check, let's start with GBP I just wanna show you guys the trades that we catch lately. So guys, GBP as you can see, guys, we've been like catching the buys on GBP and so far so good, guys. We've been milking GBP guys, so nicely. We've been like going to the upside with that, guys. So yeah, guys, it has been a very profitable week, the past week, and we've been milking the market. We're just few pips away from our take profits, guys, on GBP and also there's so many pairs that we caught like entries on. So some of them I wouldn't like really memorize all of them. So this one is one of the pairs that we're still holding and we're still in profit. GBP we're still holding profits. Then let's see also EURUSD, because I remember we took buys. Well, now we took buys and now we're waiting for sells. So guys, those are one of the trades that we took. So, but then now, guys, let me not waste your time about telling you guys about the pairs that we took, about the trades that we took in the past. Let's talk about the trades that we are about to take in future, guys, which is going to be tomorrow, which is Monday. So, without wasting your time, guys, let's start with Nasdaq. So, guys, this is Nasdaq chart. I'm just going to cancel everything so that we can start all over again. So, yeah. So now this is our chart. So this is our Nasdaq chart, guys. Yeah. So without wasting your time, guys, let's just get into it, guys. Let's just get into it. So this is your Nasdaq chart. So as you guys can see, this is the next deck chart. We can see clearly. So we're just gonna change that to line chart so that we can really see what's really happening. Like we just want the real movement. We don't want where the market was showing us breakouts or what, or fake breakouts or whatnot. We just want the real market, the real movement of Nasdaq. So guys, now we're just gonna mark our zones, guys. So we've marked our highest point and our lowest point, which means now all the movements that we're expecting this week has to come between these two zones. So our movements that we're expecting, guys, have to come between those two zones. So this is the movement that we're expecting since the market is still in between those two zones, which means now our buys and sells are going to come between those two zones. Unless the market breaks one of those zones, that's when we can expect something different. But then as now the market is still in between those two zones, which means we're still expecting movements that are going to take place between those two levels. So guys, so as you guys know, this is Nasdaq. For example, you can't really expect to catch a buy from the low going to the upside with it, because guys, Nasdaq is one of those volatile pairs. So I really prefer that you should scalp Nasdaq, because guys, it's one of those volatile pairs whereby if you want to hold, if you want to swing Nasdaq, that means you should have really enough money in your account, because if you don't have enough money in your account, it will show you flames. So yeah. Let's just be realistic about that. So guys, now I'm just gonna be adding zones whereby those zones will act as our entry points and our exit points. Like I said, guys, Nasdaq, you really have to scalp it. So these zones are going to be helping us in terms of like scalping Nasdaq. They are going to guide us in terms of like getting entries, in terms of like getting out, and also knowing the turning points of where we can expect turning points on Nasdaq. So guys, this is what we have. So this is what we having. This is what we're having. So also we have that zone right there. Also we have that zone right there. So yeah, this is what we'll be having, guys. So we won't be adding a lot of things because, guys, I don't want to complicate your trading. While I'm here, guys, I'm here to make your trading easier, not to complicate your trading. So this is what we see, guys. We see that at this point, Nasdaq, it's on a very important zone. As you guys can see, Nasdaq is on a very important zone. Let me just adjust that and just put it like that. So Nasdaq, it's on a very important zone as we're talking right now. So which means we can definitely get entry points anytime soon from now. So now, as we're busy analyzing here, it means we're looking for a direction that is going to take place this week. So now let's just dive in deeper to the market. So now what we're going to do is that, as you guys can see, Nasdaq has been buying from this zone, whereby Nasdaq, if you can check, guys, we had a trend line that is passing through like this until Nasdaq ended up breaking that trend line and pushing heavily to the downside, now forming a downtrend. And when Nasdaq started pushing to the downside, it also gave us a trend line that we could use for our entry point when the market was still pushing to the downside. But then it also happened that Nasdaq managed to break out from that zone, which means now the overall movement of Nasdaq, we're expecting Nasdaq to push to the upside, right? So that's what we're expecting now. So now if you want to take trades on Nasdaq, I really would advise you that you take buys, because buys now at this point, they are very buys, guys, at this point are the safest trades that you could take for now. So buys, guys, I would go for buys. So buys are the ones for you, guys. Buys are definitely one for you. But then now, let's just check if there's something else that we could see. So if the market is now pushing to the upside, as we have seen that the market broke out from the trend line that was pushing to the downside. So which means eventually when the market starts pushing to the upside, it definitely has to form a new trend, which will be forcing the market to push to the upside. So now this is the trend that we have. So now I believe with the trend that we have, let's just zoom in a little bit. So now we're just going to be focusing on this movement. We no longer be focusing on the past, right? So now with this side. So now we see that, okay, we inside that zone. So now I'm hoping that the market pushes to this zone, then we push to the upside. That's what I'm hoping for. So as the market will be pushing into that zone, we believe that it will also be touching our trend line. So that's what I'm looking for now. That's what I'm looking forward to. So I believe that Nasdaq will firstly push to the downside, then push to the upside. Nonetheless, guys, even if the market doesn't push to the downside like I wanted to push to the downside, we can definitely catch our buys right here. Once the market breaks out from this zone, so after the market breaks out, we expect a retest. So we'll catch from the retest, then we take our buys to that level. But then, guys, like I said, the overall movement that we're expecting on Nasdaq, it's a buy. So that's what we're expecting on Nasdaq. So as you guys can see, that was a very clean breakout and a retest on Nasdaq. Nasdaq gave us a very clean setup. So as you guys can see, Nasdaq has been pushing nicely to the upside, and we still expect it to continue the way it has been pushing and continues to push to the upside. I know, guys, I haven't been on YouTube for a while right now, but then believe me, guys, I'm now back. So I had a lot of things to do this year, but then now I'm back, fully back. So as you guys can see, so this is what we can expect on Nasdaq. So now, guys, I'll be expecting buys on this level again. So that's what we'll be expecting. So we'll just wait for the confirmation. As soon as the market opens, we wait for market's confirmation so that we can safely take our buys on Nasdaq. So that's what I see for Nasdaq. If you see something else, just comment down below and tell me what you see and why do you see that. So guys, I gave you all the reasons why I see Nasdaq to be buying. I showed you guys everything from like step by step on how I'm expecting Nasdaq to move this coming week. So this is how I'm expecting Nasdaq to move this coming week. So without wasting any time, let's move to US30. I told you guys that I'll be covering those two pairs, plus the bonus pair will be gold. Sorry guys about that. Flu has been attacking me for a long time lately. So guys, without wasting time, let's start on the 4-hour time frame. So which is one of my favorite pairs that are one of my favorite time frames that I usually start on. So guys, So this is gold. We're looking at gold right now. So we're looking at gold. We're looking at USDT. I mean, sorry guys, sorry for that. We're looking at USDT. So yeah, I just got confused since I was busy talking about gold. But then yeah, guys. So now we just mark our lowest point. So we just firstly start by marking our lowest point, then we also mark our highest point. Right. So those are the two pairs that we're going to cover, our lowest point and our highest point, just like that. So now, which means also this one, which means now we'll be focusing on movements that happen between these two zones. If the market pushes to the upside, we buy. If the market pushes to the downside, we buy. If we sell. If the market pushes to the upside again, we buy. Just like that. So all these movements will be happening inside these two levels. That's what we're expecting, right? So now we have to add our inner zones because same thing that is happening on Nasdaq. Same thing, guys. USDT and Nasdaq, they are one of those volatile pairs. There's no way you can say you wanna swing USDT and Nasdaq. Like I said, guys, you can only do that. I'm not saying you can't do that. You can definitely do that if you want to, but then, like I say, guys, you really have to have um um you must have a very big account for you to be able to do that. So guys, but then now let's just focus on what we're doing now. Let's just focus on what we're doing now. Let's not focus on other things. So yeah. Yes, guys, sorry about that. I don't know why I'm putting a trend line right there, but then yeah. So yeah. So now guys, we find that we have a level right there. We have that level right there. So guys, now we have those are the levels that we'll be having that we'll be focusing on. So guys, as we can see, this is what we're expecting on USDT. So USDT guys is very clear. When you analyze like this, guys, your chart is very clean. There's nothing very much complicated on your chart. Everything is just simple. It's just straightforward, just straight to the point, right? So now I would just like to zoom in. So guys, on USDT guys, market is definitely has to buy, guys. Market has to buy. We have to push to the upside. That's what I'm expecting on USDT. As you guys can see right now, we've been pushing nicely to the upside on USDT, and I'm still hoping that the market when it opens tomorrow, the whole day, I'm hoping your states will be buying, unless it can reach our zone and start rejecting. But then for now, when the market opens, I'm waiting for buys on USDT. We can even go to 1 hour time frame to just confirm our direction. And another thing, guys, we were supposed to get another entry point right there. So that level that I just put right there, it's another entry point that we're supposed to take. So that's another entry point for USDT. So now let's see if our trend line can confirm something. So as you guys can see, our trend line is definitely confirming that we're pushing nicely to the upside on USDT. That's what we're expecting. So guys, those are our two pairs. Those are our two pairs, Nasdaq and USDT. So guys, I don't want to be forcing trend lines. So this is what I see. So the market still has to push to the upside before it can come back down again. So with USDT, guys, we'll be pushing to the upside, but then as you guys can see, I was expecting to get like a very bigger picture on USDT so that I can give you guys the direction for the whole week. But then as we can see now, we're only getting a direction for tomorrow, which is Monday. So we're only getting a direction for Monday, but then hopefully it can push for Monday and Tuesday. We can get those buys for Monday and Tuesday, and if possibly we can break this our highest zone, our current highest zone right here. If we can break this zone, then we can definitely expect the market to continue pushing to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting this week. That's what I'm expecting this week. So now, guys, the bonus pair. Now it's now time for the bonus pair, guys. If you're still watching, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe and you also share this video with your friends and family, because guys, this video, I also hope that it's not only about giving you guys the direction for tomorrow or for this week, but then it's also for educational purposes. You can also use this video to understand how to properly analyze, how to have nice and clean setups and all those things. This video is going to help you very much when it comes to that. So when it comes to the gold, I want to start on the daily time frame. I want to show you guys something on the daily time frame. So I'm gonna be starting on the daily time frame. So as you guys can see, also gold, guys, it has been pushing nicely to the upside. And now as we're talking, guys, we're on the highest point, current highest point on gold. So gold has been pushing also nicely to the upside, guys. Gold has been pushing nicely to the upside. As you guys can see, we have a trend line. And guys, gold has been pushing nicely to the upside. If we can go to the weekly time frame, guys, if we can go to the weekly time frame, we can see that gold, guys, it has been pushing heavily to the upside. Let's just go back so that I can show you guys. So as you guys can see, we had this trend line right here previously, and the market broke out from that trend line and it has been pushing nicely to the upside. So now, guys, I don't want to focus much on what happened on the past. So let's just analyze gold and see what we can expect, right? So this is the current movement on gold. I'm just going to focus on the current movement. I'm not going to be focusing on the past. I don't really like focusing on the past because, guys, I want money. So I have to focus on what has to happen tomorrow or what has to happen this coming week. Me focusing on what has happened last year doesn't help me in any way, right? Obviously, guys, we trade using the past because we have to use zones that usually happened in the past. But then I don't really I don't really focus on like the past, something that has happened, uh, 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 that has happened a year before or something like that. Nah, I just focus on the current movement. I just focus on the current movement. Obviously, when you're still starting, because guys, me, I'm used to this thing. I do understand. I do know that okay, gold has been buying for this, for this time and how long and all those things. So obviously, me, I do have that background information on how gold has been pushing for in the past. So if you don't know, if you're still new, then you would also go to the previous or the past just to understand what has been happening, how gold is moving. But then if it's someone who's used to the market like I am right now, I'm now used to I do believe that I'm used to the market on how it moves and all those things. Then I can just really expect to start on the current movement and just see what I can expect for this coming week. So guys, this is what I see on gold, right? So now we currently have a trend line, but then our trend line doesn't really it's not really helping us a lot. So this is what we have. So this is our trend line that we're having, guys. And we can see that also our trend line is just confirming that gold needs to push to the upside. And now, guys, as you can see, gold broke the highest current point that we had. So now gold is still continue. I'm still expecting gold to still continue pushing to the upside. So we still continue pushing to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. As guys can see on gold, guys, we got a breakout and a retest. So the market has confirmed that it will be pushing heavily to the upside. So guys, now another thing, guys, the boring part when the market is like this, you have to go to the back, like to the past so that you can really understand. This is where you need the past now, because now, as you guys can see, gold is not showing where it's gonna end the buys. But then we can estimate where it's gonna stop the buys because guys, one thing about me, I'm a support and resistance trader, trendline trader. But then when it comes to this, guys, it's very hard because you don't have any resistance there, which means now you won't really understand where gold has to stop buying, right? So you won't really know where gold has to stop buying. But then now we can try to see where we can expect gold to stop buying. We can try to see. So as you guys can see, you can use this trend line. Okay, when you use this trend line, the market has broken out of that trend line, which means gold still has more momentum to keep on buying. So now let's go to, which means we have to go to we have to go to the back for us to really get that zone that we're looking for. We have to like really go to the back. So now we're at the back. I believe we're at the back. So now, so we have something like that. So now, guys, yeah. So now it's it's just like we expect. We will be guessing or something like that, and I don't want to be doing such things. So let's just show in that, and let's see. So, guys, I can say I'm expecting gold to be pushing at least to that zone, at least to that zone. So guys, but then that one, now it's a guessing game. Now it's definitely a guessing game, but then I don't really like to be guessing my directions and all that. So guys, now what I can say is that I'm still expecting gold to at least push higher until that point at least. But then somewhere during the week, gold will definitely show us where we can expect it to stop buying. So yeah, guys, gold for this week, it will be pushing heavy to the upside. So gold, as you guys can see, gold is is just expected to push more to the higher point. So that's it, guys, for today. That's it for today. I have nothing more. But then, guys, you guys As you guys can see that I'm back, definitely make sure that you subscribe, guys. Make sure that you subscribe. If you want any mentorship from me, my numbers will pop up now on the screen. Make sure that you text me on WhatsApp if you want any mentorship from me, and the prices will be on the screen right now. If you guys there's something that you want from me, make sure that you text me now on WhatsApp. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you click on you go to Instagram and you type Sean Koza underscore SA01 and make sure that you follow that account. So guys, there will be more videos coming for you guys. There'll be more videos. I'll hope to upload new videos every week. So guys, make sure that you text me on WhatsApp, and yeah, with any help that you want, I'll definitely make sure that I help you guys. So guys, for more videos, just comment down below and tell me which topic I should focus on, or what kind of content do you guys want. Then I'll definitely make sure that I deliver, guys. So yeah, that's it for today. That's what I wanted to show you guys. So now, guys, this is the free group. I just also wanted to show you guys the free group. So this is the free group, guys. So if you want to join the free group, guys, make sure that you click on the link on the description below and make sure that you join the free group, guys. If you can check, guys, on the free group, guys, we have been making crazy, crazy profits, guys. It has been like really profitable, guys. As you guys can see, we killed USD and yeah, there was the setup. As you guys can see, we killed core retail sales, guys. As you guys can see, we killed core retail sales. So guys, we've been milking the market on the free group. As you guys can see, EURUSD it has killed. So guys, when you click here, guys, when you click right on the pinned message, it will directly send you straight to this link, whereby guys, that's the broker that I was telling you guys about. So if you wanna trade with the safest broker, make sure that you click on the link on the description, or when you join the free group, you click on the pinned message and make sure that you sign up using that link. So guys, as you guys can see there, it has fast withdrawals. The broker has fast withdrawals. Like I told you guys, it's an award-winning broker, guys. So it means it's one of those best brokers in South Africa. So it's regulated, and there's no off codes, guys. There's no off codes. So also it allows any trading strategy, guys, which means any trading strategy that you want to use when it comes to this broker, it doesn't limit you. Any trading strategy, you can use it. So guys, it also has very low spreads, guys. It also has very low spreads, and the minimum deposit is 50 rand. So for people that are in other countries, 50 rands, I think it's about I'm not sure, guys. Now I'm just guessing. Now I'm just guessing. I think you can even deposit as minimum as little as $5. Yeah, I think so. So guys, now I'm just guessing. So don't blame me if the numbers are wrong. But then yeah, close to that. You can even deposit like $5. So as guys can see, guys, the progress of the free group, guys, we have been killing. We have been killing. So it has been crazy profits. People are milking on the group. So guys, make sure that you click on the link on the description and make sure that you join this group, guys. As you guys can see, I also share CPI signals. As you guys can see, we killed CPI. We killed. So guys, make sure that you join the group, guys. Make sure that you join the group. And once we get to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers on the group, then I'm definitely going to start doing giveaways. I'll be funding guys your accounts. I'll be funding your accounts every week. And also I'll be doing giveaways like mentorship giveaway. So if you guys are interested in all of those things, make sure that you join the group and just stay tuned. Make sure that you sign up with the link that I gave you on the broker, and make sure that you just stay tuned until we reach our goal. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, then it's more fun for us. That's when everything will start showing up. So guys, for now, let's make sure that we trade safe. Let's make sure that we trade safe. Let's hope it's a profitable week this week. And yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. For me, guys, I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm done. So let's meet, guys, during the week, and let's see what you're going to get from the market. Thank you, guys.